Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card you're making today. Isn't it sweet? It's another Christmas card, but again it's very easy to make. So let me show you how I did it. This is a stamp set we're going to be using, perfectly plaid, and we're going to be using the sentiment here, and this is actually one that carried over from last year's catalogue. And I've got everything set up on my Stamparatus because I'm stamping on a fairly small piece of Whisper White that measures 3.5 centimeters by 8, and this way I can be sure that I can get things lined up as best as possible. So I'm just stamping in Cherry Cobbler ink. Press down. Yeah, lovely. So I'm just going to give my stamp a little clean, because I always find any strongly pigmented colour like the reds, anything with a red in it, it gets everywhere. So this way I know I'm not going to make a mess. So I'm just going to close up my Stamparatus, put my magnet there and it's back in its little place at the back, and set that aside. Now, where's my stamped image? Here it is. We're going to put this on a little piece of silver foil sheet, and this piece measures 4 by 8.5 centimeters. So it just gives it a small little mat around the edge. So just like that, as you can see. And then our base bit, so we've got a base here is thick Whisper White, and this is a standard A6 card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. So then I'm just going to stick our Designer Series paper, and this is the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper, and it measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I'm just going to flip my grid paper over because I can feel there's something sticky on it. And then I'm going to pop up my sentiment using some dimensionals. So let's just put those on the back. And one more. And then just get the backings off them. You know, if you've watched my videos, I find incredibly tedious taking backings off dimensionals, but it's one of those things you do because I really like the way it turns out, and the dimensionals are really good. So let's put that there, something like that. And then, whoopsie daisy, I'm going to bring in my rhinestones, and I'm going to use one of the baby ones. I'm just going to put one on the dot here of the eye, and then I'm going to bring out my glue dots because we're going to try a bow and see how well we do. And this is the silver edged ribbon, so let's see if we can tie a half decent bow. Let's see. Try and get it so at least both loops are sort of the same height. It's always useful. Yeah, and I think that's going to do. It's the best I'm going to get today, so I'm going to go with that. Cut the tails, get that out the way, and glue dots. I always use glue dots to stick things like this down. I find they just work. That's exactly what they were there for. They work well. And there you go. They're the two cards. What do you think? Love them? Hate them? I'm really pleased with the way they turned out. They're very simple and easy, which is something I'm all in favour of. So thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, links to my online shop, measurements, supply list, etc., it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!